A file of operating system's commands that are executed one after the other, stemming from the DOS and the OS/2 worlds. BAT files are also used in Windows. A BAT file is a DOS badge file used to execute commands with the Windows command prompt cmd.exe. It contains a series of lines command in plain text that are executed to perform various tasks such as starting programs or running maintenance utilities within Windows. PS1 means all versions of the computer games console marketed and distributed by the Sony entities under any of the marks PlayStation, PlayStation 1, PS, PS1, or PS1, or any other marks substantially similar to the foregoing that natively runs games specifically designed for the original PlayStation. Virtualization-based security, or VBS, uses hardware virtualization features to create and isolate a secure region of memories from the normal operating system. An environment variable is a dynamic object on a computer containing an editable value which may be used by one or more software programs in Windows. Environment variables help programs know that directory to install files in, where to store temporary files, and where to find user profile settings. Definition of syntax and why proper syntax is important. In the computer world, the syntax of a command refers to the rules in which the command must be run in order for a piece of software to understand it. A constructed script is a new writing system specifically created by an individual or group rather than having evolved as part of a language or culture like a natural script. Loops are among the most basic and powerful of programming concepts. A loop in a computer program is an instruction that repeats until a specified condition is reached. In a loop structure, the loop asks a question. If the answer requires action, it is executed. In programming, a variable is a value that can change depending on conditions or on information passed to the program. Typically, a program consists of instructions that tell the computer what to do and data that the program uses when it is running. In computer science, an integer is a datum of integral data type, a data type that represents sum of range of mathematical integers. Integral data type may be a different size and may or may not be allowed to contain negative values. Integers are commonly represented in a computer as a group of binary digits, bits. In computer programming, a string is a traditional sequence of characters, either as a literal consistent or a some kind of variables. The latter may allow its element to be mutated and the length changed, or it may be fixed after creation. Remote Desktop Protocol (RDP) is a secure network communications protocol developed by Microsoft. It enables network administrators to remotely diagnose problems that individuals users encounter and gives users remote access to their physical work desktop computers. Telnet is a network protocol used to virtually access a computer and to provide a two-way collaborative and text-based communication channel between two machines. SSH, or Secure Shell, is a network communication protocol that enables two computers to communicate, which is the protocol used to transfer hypertext such as web pages and share data. Third-party software is a computer program created or developed by a different company than the one that developed the computer's operating system. For example, any software running on a Microsoft computer that was not created by Microsoft is a third-party software. Screen share, also known as desktop sharing, is the practice of sharing the contents of your screen with another device or multiple devices. This can include all the elements on a screen or simply one window, which allows for complete control over the visibility of your desktop and guarantees privacy. File sharing is the public or private sharing of files or folders on a computer connected to a network. Files can easily be shared outside a network via removable media, but the term file sharing almost always refers to sharing files on a network. File sharing allows several people to use the same file data.